Enabling Google My Business Chat and integrating it with our software is a smart move to bring in more messages and reviews. By enabling this feature, you can communicate with customers in real time, answer their questions, and resolve their issues instantly. It also helps to build trust and credibility with your customers as they can see that you are actively engaged and responsive to their needs. Log into your account. You will see various features and tools on the left sidebar. We are going to start by opening our account's settings on the bottom left-hand corner.
Once we have opened our account settings, let's open the Integrations tab to add our Google and Google My Business accounts.
Connect all of your users' Google Calendar integrations, your company's Google My Business, Shopify, TikTok, and other services. Make sure to add the Google account that your Google My Business profile is connected to. You will be prompted to select a page to connect, or choose your page under the Google My Business integration by clicking Change Page or Remove Page. Once your account is connected and your page is connected, you can start seeing the reviews, messages, and calls that come into your account and into the conversations area. Manage all your reviews and messages from a single platform, making tracking and responding to customer feedback easier. This integration can be a valuable tool for enhancing customer experiences, building brand loyalty, and driving business growth. You're also able to connect your Google My Business profile under the Social Media Planner tool in order to post automatically. By integrating Google My Business Chat with our software, you can streamline your communication.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.